Hi guys, I hope you are fine. Me too, I'm fine. We thank God for this opportunity that He has given to us. We give glory to Him. And I welcome you now to my YouTube channel. Let's do this question, guys. It's actually three questions. Let me first of all read it. Simplify the expressions. So guys, I'm going to do two of them and then you can attempt this one. But guys, I will do this one later in a later video. So just attempt it and see what you will get. But I will do it later, not in this video. So guys, just welcome as we start our lesson. So we now simplify this first expression. So what I will say, or what I will do, guys, is that I will sort of say x squared plus 1, I'll let it be y. So I'll write it this way. Let x squared plus 1 be equal to y. And then from there, I'll now write the whole equation with that expression of x squared plus 1 being y. So I'll have x squared, then I write y raised to negative a half minus y raised to a half, like that. Now you divide by x squared. So now I can keep the question aside and I continue now to do the question here. So now from there, guys, we are going to simplify this. So I can come and multiply here by y raised to a half for the numerator and also for the denominator, so that I don't change anything in that question. Then this one now will be equal to, when you multiply y squared by y squared and y raised to a half and y raised to negative a half, by the laws of indices, or maybe guys I can still come and do it here so that you can see clearly. Raised to negative a half, y raised to a half now, that y, minus y raised to a half multiplied by y raised to a half, all over x squared multiplied by y raised to a half. So now guys, we now go ahead and do that. So y raised to negative a half multiplied by y raised to a half, by use of law of indices, this is going to be negative a half plus a half, which is y raised to 0. That means it's going to be 1, because any number raised to 0 gives us 1. So here there is 1. Maybe I can write it minus y raised to a half multiplied by y raised to a half plus a half is 1. So this is y raised to 1, like that. Then here we have x squared, y raised to a half. So guys, we continue. I can now write x squared on this side minus y. Now I can now replace my y with x squared plus 1. This is x squared plus 1, like that, all over x squared. I now replace my y with x squared plus 1. So this is going to be x squared plus 1 raised now to a half. So guys, I will now get x squared minus x squared. Because of this minus, this plus is going to change to minus 1, all over x squared and then x squared plus 1, like that, raised to a half. So finally guys, we are going to get x squared minus x squared, that is 0. So the top here guys, we shall have negative 1 all over. When we come here, this guys, we can now put this one inside here. And the way we do it is that we have to square, because now we are putting it inside where there is a negative, an expression raised to 1 over 2. So it will be like this guys. X raised now to 4, you multiply there, you come to x raised to 6 plus x raised to 4, like that. Or maybe guys, I can explain that. And this is how I explain it. Because this one is a square root. When you put it inside here and we do not want to change the value, we would have to put it to square it once again. And this is how it works, guys. Let me show you. I will use this paper for that, guys. So I will come and put it this way. Let's say guys, we have, I write it just as it is there, negative 1 all over. If I were to take out, to factor out, I can factor out x raised to 4, like that. And then I'm left with x squared plus 1, and all these are raised to a half. The whole of this is a square root. So guys, when I come now to find the square root of each, this one I'll be able to get it as x squared, and then I'm left with only this one, x squared plus 1 is what I will not be able to find its square root. So now guys, this expression will remain like that, and as you can see, it has gone back to what it was originally. So what we do, anytime we want to put x squared in a bracket where it is raised to a half, we would have to multiply to raise it again to 2. That is because now we are trying sort of reducing it, so we would have to raise it up again, so that we maintain the same value it was if it were to come out of the bracket. So that's what I have done. So guys, that is how you do that question. So guys, now we come to this next question. The first one we've been able to do and to get that. We've gotten that. So the second one, guys, I'll do it and see what we get. So simplify the expression, that is this expression. So let's dive into it. So this is Roman 2. We are told to square that. I'll go direct into squaring it. So this one will be 3 squared x squared y squared all over 2 squared. Then you square this xy, you square that, divided by we have square root of 1 over that. The square root of 1 will remain as 1. Square root of 9 is 3. Square root of x raised to 4, that will be x squared. And square root of y raised to 6 is going to be y raised to 3. Guys, I have used a shortcut, but I hope you understand. Because actually I could put square root of 1, square root of 9 like that. But instead of that, I have done directly. So from there, guys, we come here and square now 3. That is going to be 9. Then x squared. Then y squared all over 2 squared is 4. When you square a square root, you actually remove it, because it's like saying a half multiplied by 2. That is 2 multiplied by a half, you get 1. So this one will now be x, y, like that. For us to change this sign division, we put up times, then we have to get the reciprocal of that, which is 3x squared y cubed, now all over 1, like that. Come now and cancel those that can be cancelled. You can cancel this x and this y, this x, so that this one remains to be 1, like that. Cancel that one. This one now remain to be only 1y. Once you do that, guys, you come now and multiply now all this. So you shall have multiply first of all the constants at the numerator. You get 27, like that. Then we multiply the variables. Here x multiplied by x squared is x cubed. So this one is now supposed to be 1. This one is supposed to be 1. Multiply y raised to 1 and y raised to 3. You get y raised to 4. I'm finished with the numerator. I come to the denominator. So here you remain with only 4. And so, guys, this is how now we do the next question. And as you can see, our answers actually are tallying. This is the answer for that. And this is what we have found out. So, guys, this is how we simplify the question given. Now, guys, I give you an assignment here. Why don't you attempt, or would you please attempt this question and see the answer you could get? I'll just keep it, and in my later videos I'll do it. But as of now, let me give you time. You try, get the answer. When I come back, I'll do, and then we shall compare our answers. Not only the answers, but even the way we do it. So, guys, thank you so much. May God bless you, and may He keep you safe. Bye bye.